Hello everyone and welcome to my story club show. Dear friends, we have been arranging story club show since last 1 month, and the purpose behind arranging a story club show is to improve the English of our students. We have to make them to able to speak English fluently. We have to make them able to speak English powerfully. We have to make them able to speak English confidently, and we have to make them able to speak English fearlessly. We have to teach our students to think in English and to communicate fearlessly, very effectively, communicate fluently. That is the purpose of our story club show. Because I am narrating you stories in English, and nowadays I am narrating you moral stories or motivational stories. These stories are giving us motivation to change our life. And today also I am going to narrate you a very small story, but I promise you, if you will listen all the story, definitely you will change your life. It will change your life, or you will decide to change it. Today's story is about how to live stress-free life, or how to be anxiety-free in life. This is the story. Today I am going to narrate you. The title of the story is To Be Stress Free. My dear friends, there was a teacher, and she was a woman. She was a woman teacher, and her subject was psychology. Do you know what is meant by psychology? Psychology is the subject which subject studies the minds of human beings. The subject which studies the mentality of human beings, and that teacher was teaching to her students, and that was the lecture of psychology. And the teacher entered in the class, and there were many students in the class, and on that day teacher wanted to teach her students how to live stress free life, or how to live anxiety free life. Because many of us are under pressure, under burden in life, and she was teaching technique to her students how to live anxiety free life, or how to live stress free life, how to live tension free life. And so first of all, she came there and she raised one glass in her hand, and she showed that glass to the students. And when that teacher showed the glass to the students thought that she will ask them whether the glass is filled with water, whether the glass is half empty or half filled. That will be the question. But that was not her question. Her question was different. The teacher raised the glass, she smiled, and she asked the students by holding glass like this, "Can you answer my question? Can you say how much will be the weight of this glass?" And then some students tried to answer the question. Some students tried to tell the weight of the glass to the teacher. But after some time, the teacher told them the weight of the glass is not important. This is a glass, and this is filled with water, and I have raised it up, and I am holding it like this. If I will hold this glass like this for 1 minute, then nothing will happen. But if I will hold this glass like this for an hour, then after some time my arm means hand, my hand will start aching. There will be pain in my hand. And if I hold this glass like this for 1 day, then what will happen? My hand will become numb, or my hand will become unconscious. My hand will become paralyzed. This is the effect of holding this glass like this, or like in this position for a day. And teacher said the weight of the glass is not changing. The weight of the glass is same, but you will hold it for more time, then the weight of the glass will increase. And teacher told her students, my dear students, the problem of tension or the problem of anxiety or the problem of stress is like the glass. If something wrong happened in your life or something sorrowful happened in your life and you thought about that for 1 minute, nothing will happen. But if you continuously you are thinking about that problem and you are taking tension of that incident, you are taking stress of that incident for an hour, then what will happen? Then there will be pain into your heart, there will be pain into your chest. And if you are continuously thinking about that sorrowful situation and you are continuously are under pressure or there is anxiety in your mind about that incident, you are not forgetting that incident and you are thinking about that all the day, then you will be incapable of doing anything in life, or you will be incapable of doing anything that day. And if you are continuously taking tension about that incident, if you will continue it till evening and then continue it into night, then you will be unable to sleep on that day. You will not be able to sleep on that day. So my dear friends, the teacher wanted to tell her students, yes, there are problems in our life and there is anxiety in everybody's life, there is stress in everybody's life, there is tension in everybody's life, but we have to think about that tension only for a minute, and on the second minute we have to try find out the solution to that tension. But what do some people do? They continuously think about the tension, they continuously think about that incident and they are taking tension continuously, they are under pressure, they are nervous, always they are nervous, they are disappointed, they are sorrowful, they are depressed, always they are in depression, and it affects on our body and it creates many diseases inside our body. Due to tension, it will create the problem of high blood pressure or hypertension, or there will be the problem of sugar, there will be problem of other diseases also in your body. So we have to learn to keep the glass down. We don't have to hold the glass raised upside. We have to learn to keep the glass of tension down. And my dear friends, the teacher told her students, at evening you should forget about all the tensions, you should forget about all the stresses till evening. And she told students should, or all of us should, forget our tensions as early as you can in the evening. You should not continue your tensions till the bedtime. Means when you go to bed, at that time you should be tension free. You should not take tension of anything. You should be stress free, and you should go to bed stress free. If you will go to bed stress free, then you will be able to sleep, you will be able to enjoy your sound sleep, or you will be able to sleep comfortably. And if you will enjoy your sound sleep, or if you will enjoy 8 hours sleep comfortably, then your mind will be fresh and you will be able to solve any problem in your life. So, my dear friends, the story is a very small, but what we have to learn from this story. Now, I am going to tell you my opinion about the story. What was the purpose of that teacher by teaching that lesson? She was teaching her students how to manage stress in life, how to manage tension in life, and we also have various types of tensions in our life. We also have various types of anxieties in our life, and we have to learn to manage all these stresses in life. And how we can manage them? We have to forget them at night. When it is 8 o'clock, we have to forget everything what happened with us during the daytime. And we have to think about only our sleep. We have to enjoy our sleep, and we have to say to ourselves that we will think about this problem tomorrow after 6 o'clock in the morning. From 8 to 6, we are tension free. Suppose something happened with you in your office and we come with that incident. Something wrong happened, somebody tortured you, or somebody said some wrong words to you. That's why you become disappointed, you got hurted, and we become nervous, and we bring that nervousness to our house. And at night also, we are thinking about that bad incident. We are thinking why that person said me like this or like that. Why did he insult me? And we are thinking about that, and we are not able to sleep. And it means that if we are taking stress during night, then it will make our body paralyzed, our mind paralyzed, and it will create many diseases into our body. So, my dear friends, from this story, we have to learn to manage our stress. We have to learn to manage our anxiety. We have to learn to manage our tension. That's it. If you like this video, please like it, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. That's it. Thanks a lot.